They said all you need is magic. But this magic box from Casekoo is the only box that you need for your new iPhone. Hey everyone, I'm Paolo Marasigan, and today we will be talking about this magic box from Casekoo. Inside the box, it contains 4 pieces that includes a magic stand case, screen protector, a charger, and a charging cable. The magic stand case has this cleverly designed stand that looks invisible or hidden when not in use. When not in use, it's kinda like a typical MagSafe clear case. The stand functions as your usual MagSafe charging. As for the case, it does really well in protecting not just the phone screen but also the cameras. The case offers a raised bezels for the camera and the screen. The screen protector. Casekoo claims that this tempered glass is aviation grade shatterproof materials. This screen protector is bright and feels like you are not using one. It comes with an extra screen protector, and I like that it includes this guide so you can relax in putting the tempered glass knowing that it will fit correctly. The charging cable. The charging cable is braided and looks like it will not break easily. The smart charger. So this is a 30-watt USB-C and USB-A fast charging which can charge from 0% all the way up to 100% in just 2 hours. Even though it is tiny, it has dual ports of USB-C and USB-A, which can also charge 2 devices simultaneously. With this small in size, this will be now my travel charger. This magic box from Casekoo really completes everything you need for your new iPhone. I love the packaging and its attention to detail and overall presentation. You can see and feel the quality Casekoo put into this magic box. So if you're looking for any accessories for your new iPhone, then better check this magic box from Casekoo. It already has all the important accessories for your new iPhone. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.